Cozy Gang? Welcome back to our channel. It's your boy Cozy, and today we have an Akimbo unboxing to do. Today we're gonna show the Akimbo New York Noodle hoodie. They had the zip-up hoodie, they had the regular pullover hoodie, and I ended up getting the pullover hoodie. Soon I will be buying some zip-up hoodies since I don't really got much of those. So today we ended up getting the Akimbo Noodle hoodie, the New York Yankee sign. This is the first picture that I found on Hypebeast. It was this actual hoodie that had me like, I need this hoodie or any other hoodies that they dropped. So far I just got the Real Tree and Akimbo collab, which you'll be able to see in the link below. Also put the video at the end of this video. So I ended up getting this New York Noodle Akimbo hoodie, $165 it cost me, and they had it in navy and black. In the description it states made in collaboration with artist Tyrell Winston, fits true to size, made in Los Angeles, boxy fit, 100% brushed cotton, 450 GSM, 14 ounces, it's unisex. Says to avoid screen printing damage, cold machine wash, hang to dry. Ready made, ships within 2 to 3 business days. I did get this pretty fast, and this is definitely something that I'm keeping. Let's go ahead and unwrap this. Alright, so off the rip you already see the New York Yankees noodle sign. Super fire, keeping this. Let's get it out the bag. Here we got the noodle hoodie. Again, they had it in black and navy blue. Let me know in the comments below, do you like Akimbo? Would you buy anything from them? Have you ever bought anything from them? This is my second piece from them. Off the rip, the cotton is great. You can tell this is super heavy. You got the Akimbo logo right here. And that's it. That's pretty much what this hoodie brings. In the inside, it just says Akimbo medium, made in Los Angeles, care content cover. 100% organic cotton, cold wash only, gentle cycle, do not bleach, do not use in dryer. Nothing in the back. Great hoodie. Now let's try this on. And that wraps up our item review, the Akimbo New York Noodle hoodie. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to share your thoughts in the comments below. Subscribe for more merch reviews, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.